Here's India in the last 24 hours. India lodged a strong protest after Pakistan announced plans to hold elections in Gilgit-Baltistan next June, calling the territory illegally occupied and demanding Pakistan vacate the region. The US State Department says its visa laws, including stricter H-1B requirements, apply globally and are not targeting India specifically. The Trump administration is consistently enforcing these rules across all countries to ensure American job opportunities are protected. In Uttar Pradesh, in the ongoing rape and murder case, the Allahabad High Court granted bail to the accused because investigators failed to collect or present scientific evidence linking him to the crime. Amid mounting global risks, the Reserve Bank has cut India's GDP growth forecast for 2026 to 27 to 6.6% due to oil price volatility, geopolitical tensions, and weak monsoon prospects. The government is preparing to roll out smart border pilot projects across multiple international frontiers, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said on Friday. The projects will include sensitive sectors currently guarded by the Border Security Force. In Tamil Nadu, former BJP chief K. Annamalai resigned from the party on Friday, citing disagreement with leadership over the state strategy. He said he will now launch a movement against cult politics. India and the US are pushing forward with negotiations on an interim trade deal that both countries agreed to explore back in February. The two sides say the talks so far have been positive and constructive. In Manipur, unidentified gunmen killed 3 Kuki villagers early Friday morning's Kangpokpi district and set 7 houses on fire in the village of Loibol Khullen. The Kuki community's apex body has accused Naga militant groups of carrying out the attack. Russia's President Putin says putting pressure on Prime Minister Modi and India harms international relations. He made the remarks amid growing global tensions. The RBI governor says the central bank has not sold any gold and its reserves have actually grown. He clarified that recent drops in reported values are simply from weekly revaluation as global gold prices change. In Himachal Pradesh, an earthquake measuring 5.0 on the Richter scale hit the Kangra Chamba border area on Friday night, with tremors felt across Punjab and Haryana. No casualties or damage have been reported so far.